Plain product tables don't always cut it. Because let's face it, nobody wants to squint at tiny product images or open 10 new tabs. That takes so much time to just see what a product looks like. As the proverb goes, time and tide waits for none. Saving time is important. People want clarity, fast. They want to click, zoom in, and actually see what they're getting. That's exactly why Ninja Tables Lightbox feature is a game changer. Whether you're showcasing product images, demo videos, or even full web pages, Lightbox lets you turn basic table content into rich, interactive previews. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We'll walk through both Image Lightbox and Iframe Lightbox step by step. So if you're ready to make your tables look better, work smarter, and engage your visitors like never before, let's dive in. To start, open Ninja Tables and either create a new table or choose an existing one. For today, let's choose an existing one I had made earlier. Okay, so as you can see, I have everything ready in my table. The product name, price, and everything. As we're here to check out the Lightbox feature, let's get into it. We'll add a new column and name it Image. Now, if we go down, we can see the data type default as single line text field. We need to change it to the option that says Image File Lightbox option. Once selected, you'll see multiple options appear. Let's see the Image Lightbox first. For that, we need to choose the Image Lightbox option. So let's click Add Column. To see the Image Lightbox, we need to add data. So hit the pencil icon to add the image. So let's choose an image for this specific column we made for the Image Lightbox option. Okay, let's go with this one. Done? Amazing. Now let's preview. Okay, my table has come up, and now when you click on the image in your table, it pops up in a nice focused overlay. So no new page, it's just a clean full screen image view. This makes the product visuals or any images look way more professional and easier to explore. Now let's try out the Iframe Lightbox. This time, go to another column or hover over an existing one. Just like before, head into the configuration or the edit option and choose Iframe Lightbox. So once we selected this, we need to update it again. And now, instead of just uploading an image, we can add an iframe URL along with it. This could be a YouTube video, a web page, or any embeddable content. Pick what you need. Let's pick this for today. Now, after saving it, let's hit preview. And click on the image. Amazing! Our content loads instantly in a modal pop-up. Literally no redirection, no clutter, just smooth embedded previews inside our table. This is perfect for showing off product demos, tutorials, or even web pages, all from inside your table. And that's it! 2 simple Lightbox options that can instantly upgrade the user experience on your site. So whether it's images, videos, or any other media, Ninja Tables makes it easy to present your content in the most interactive way possible. Try it out and let your tables do more than just display data. They can now engage your audience too. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more powerful features and smart tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye!